What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and there you can see that's a ZEBRONICS 5.1 Dolby Audio soundbar at ZEB9530. So in this video I'm gonna do the sound test of this thing. You can see all the speakers are right there, soundbar, the rear speakers, and that's the subwoofer. According to the soundbar, the subwoofer is a little bit bigger in size than enclosure, and that's also the same 6.5-inch subwoofer driver, but as the enclosure is bigger, so the bass is also bigger too. So we're gonna test different sound and I'm gonna tell you how the sound is. So let's start some NCS song.
But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, let the light shine
So you heard two songs. So I must say the bass is huge and it's overpowering other sounds. As you can see, the subwoofer is at -3, and still it's making huge amount of bass. If I put it to like +2, 3, 4 or 5, then it will shake the whole room. So for bass lover, this is an amazing thing. And another thing is that I can say it's a kind of negative point. Well, this is 360 watt of RMS power, but this is not that much loud like other ZEBRONICS speakers. And I have unboxed and checked another one, 9400. That sound was like very loud. That has more wattage than this soundbar, but still that is much more louder than this one. But this thing is having decent sound and quality is also very good. Mostly the sound separation from the surround speaker, that is amazing. So I'm gonna check some other songs and then gonna check some trailers and all, so you can understand the sound quality and all. So let's check it out.
I don't want to risk it all again, but I don't want to be on my own. It always goes much better in my head, but the feelings end up wasted. So I'm sorry for breaking down when you said you got me. I'm used to being let down, but I'm hoping if I'm falling too fast, then you'll catch me. You'll catch me. So I'm sorry. Then you might have to see
Alright, so another nice thing about this soundbar is that the light there, display light there, gets brighter when you press some buttons and all, and then after a second it goes to dim, so it stays in front of you right below the TV set and all, but still the light doesn't distract you at all. Now let me show you. When I press some buttons, see, it gets brighter, and then after a few seconds it goes dim, just like that. So that's the nice thing. And about the sound, as I told you, the bass is huge. It's a great thing for the bass lover, but many people complain about the bass is overpowering the other sound. So as you can see, the bass is at 0 right now, and let me play the song once again. Alright, so you heard the bass at 0 level, and now I'm not gonna do anything else, and I'm just gonna use the equalizer mode, the news right there. If I use this equalizer mode, now let's check the same song once again. So you heard the bass has reduced much more, though it's still at level 0. But when you press the news button for equalizer, then the overall bass reduced much more. So if you don't like the bass, or when the bass is overpowering when you're watching movies and when you're watching like series, web series and TV and all, then just use the news equalizer mode. But for other case, you can use the music and movie and all right from there. So now let me play the song again. So that will be on the news mode with low bass, and when I press the music or movie button, and then the bass will increase. So you can check it out for yourself. Let me play once again. So in the news mode, just it reduced the bass much more, but overall the sound, it stays the same. So when you don't like much more bass, then just use that news equalizer mode. So that's gonna work great. So you'll not have any complaint about huge bass or anything like that. So now it's good for a bass lover, and also who is not much of a bass lover like that. So now let's check some Dolby trailers.